says for the State Board General Science Standard 6, air, water and land are called as natural resources. In this lesson, we will see the natural resource land as an important resource. Land is seen in the form of stones, soils, and big rocks. It is flat and hilly somewhere. We use land for farming, we use land for building houses, and we use land for roads. Forests and plants grow on this land. The minerals, crude oil, and natural gas obtained from the earth or land. These are the layers of land. These are the different layers of the land. The topmost layer is called as humus. Humus. Next is a soil. Then next layer is immature soil. Then layers of soil and small rock. Then at the beneath or last layer is called as bedrock. We will see one by one. The topmost layer is formed by the decomposition of remains of the plants and animals. This is mature soil. This layer is called as humus. This is found in dense forest. The land below is full of sand, soil, small stones, worms and insects. Below this layer, soil and pieces of bedrock are found. This soil is immature soil. Further below this layer, the proportion of soil decreases while that proportion of rock increases. This layer is called as bedrock. The color, texture of soil are determined by these layers. And we know that minerals are also derived from this layer, that is the bedrock. Then what is the process of soil formation? The soil is formed by natural process. The abiotic components of the soil are supplied through the weathering of bedrock. Due to the heat, cold and water of the sun, wind and rain respectively, the bedrock breaks down into the pieces and stone, sand and soil are formed. When bedrock breaks down into pieces, the small stones then it are again converted to small stones, that is called as the sand. Then sand get converted to soil. So that's how bedrocks breaks and that is get formed into the soil. The roots of the tree growing on the land also helps weathering of the rocks. The process of soil formation is slow and continuous. It takes about 1,000 years to form a 2.5 centimeter of thick layers of a mature soil. Now, what is called as soil erosion? Soil can get destroyed due to floods, storms, and human activities such as mining. This is called as soil erosion. That means the soil is get destroyed due to a floods, storms, and human activities such as mining. This is basically a soil erosion. The erosion of soil can be reduced by increasing the green cover of the land. That means more we plant the trees, more it will get reduced. If large amount of grass, trees and bushes are grown on it, when it will grow? When we plant more trees on the land. Then what is called as the fossil fuels? Forests on land got buried underground due to great upheavals that took place on the earth many ages ago. After that, the process of formation of fossil fuels from the remains of living thing took place underground. That means forest on lands got buried underground due to great upheavals that took place on the earth many ages ago, many ages ago, whatever the uncertain things that happens, and due to the fact of that, that forest get buried. And after that process, the formation of fossil fuels from the remains of living things took place underground. We get fuels like petrol, diesel, kerosene, paraffin, and other useful materials like tar and wax from the fossil fuel. And basically, it is called as